You got to try this. This recipe is for you if you're a seafood lover. Let me show you how. Removing the scale. I'll move to the sink. It makes sense to do it at the sink with running water. There it is. It's open already, like exactly how I like it. And now I want to remove the bone in the middle. What you do is cut the bone from the close to the tail and close to the head. And then slowly pulling the bone away from the flesh of the fish. The longer I spend on the prep or cleaning the fish, the more I will enjoy to eat it. But if you don't want to do it, you can ask your fishmonger. Looks pretty good already. Put olive oil in your baking dish so the fish doesn't stick. And let's move it over to the baking dish. Seasoning first, black peppercorn, salt of course. And let's go for the next step. Move to the next step. I want to remove the seeds and skin of tomatoes. Chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, little bit of salt, black peppercorn, and crushed juniper, olive oil, lemon juice. If you have soft herbs, basil or coriander, put them on. It will be great, fantastic flavors. Lemon zest, why not? It's good for fish and very citrusy flavor. Paprika and mix. We're going to put the tomatoes and onions on top of the fish. Let's cook this in the oven.